every time.
Don't
you
worry.
don't come to mind
We will
to
soon be
sleep.
living together.
Oh, thank you.
I can't believe it. This is Buckingham Daddy and my friend. This is Leo. Oh my God. I can't believe this.
Oh, you don't. You see, you are my love.
Are you sure?
You are the one
Buckingham
I love.
Daddy, are you sure?
I love you.
There is so much deal with this man. I can't believe it. Buckingham Daddy and Lion. No. No. What? Sweetheart,
Yes.
time is flying. I have to get going.
Did I not tell you before?
I didn't realize. It just went like that.
Two women, you will be doing makeup as if
You have to.
the plane will be waiting for you. You think it's a mode way
No, it's,
that you can meet anytime.
it's not that, but I have to look good now.
So how many days are you going to spend at your this,
10 days. Just 10 days now.
10 days.
Yeah.
Please, oh,
What?
my eyes are on you. Okay?
As in,
As in what? This one that you
I
put
miss
on
you
makeup.
too.
I miss you too. Or maybe we go inside for one. Tia,
with
tia.
all the ones you did, you should be okay now.
Okay, okay, don't worry. Eh?
All right.
I will call you, eh?
Okay, sweetheart.
All right, take care.
Don't miss me too much. Oh.
Bye-bye.
Eh.
Let me help you take that bag out.
All right.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, thank God. Hello? Yeah. Liar, liar. I told you now. Yeah, I tell you, say, when she leave, I go call you. Oh. She don't leave. Tay. As I dey talk to you now, maybe a plane don't take off or make she don't dey up the face Dubai where she dey go. Now you get this house now. Me, I don't dey tasty of you, sef. I don't dey hungry. You carry my thing, they come meet me, I beg. Yeah, I'm missing you. I miss my thing. Oh. Maybe I don't tell you before, say, now you get me, now me get you. Don't worry. Don't worry. They come quick. Me too, I go freshen up, they wait for you. This one, you know they go anywhere. We go just they chop life up and down, everywhere. Yeah. Inside room, oh, sitting room, oh, kitchen, oh, bathroom, oh. Oh my God, fulala. Thank you. Don't make you not stay abeg. Liar. Don't be long. Hey, that is my sweethead love. I go chop this life, oh. I go chop life so they anyhow I go just the chop life left and right. Hey. See, may I go freshen up. Because when liar come now real life will go chop. Let me shut you down. Where I bath, say? Who is that? It's you.
Yes,
Liar.
my dear. Buckingham Daddy.
My sweet love.
My love. Come and give me some love.
You see, This is why I won't die because of you.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, your friend is at the house right now. Yeah, I saw her with my own 2 eyes. She's at the house. You have to get here right now. Yeah, right now. Now. Okay.
Not be you they gallop like buffalo, like just they gallop. You see that one, she don't sabi anything, sef. The way where you they handle me, you they ride me, right?
You see that you are slimming down every time.
I beg. Come and sit down. Yeah. See, and they tell you something. Now you let me know that this life have you have another side where we say some people never reach.
But Buckingham, it's taking too long.
Waiting.
I want the money. It's taking too long.
Don't worry. No be you now. You get me now. Me get you. Before you see, let me tell you. Before the end of next year, we go to live together.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you.
Because I'm always jealous when I see you two together and then you don't even look at my side.
We must not let that cat out of the pocket.
But are you?
With her?
No, not just a small.
Okay, not.
Don't worry, but you wait. Now you they get and pass. You know, say you sabi handle me. You sabi handle me.
Okay, like you're not supposed to. You can't. But no.
You know, say me I no go lie for you. Now small, no be too much.
Look, now it's me that I am at the receiving end.
Don't worry, liar.
Okay, you're smelling fresh.
No. Which car is that? Wait.
What are you expecting?
I'm not expecting anybody.
Are you sure? What's that?
Why did this woman come back home?
What woman? What's going to happen now? What's going to happen? Wait. Can I go behind there?
No.
Hey, God, Buckingham, Daddy, what kind of nonsense is this now?
Go inside toilet.
Toilet?
No, just wait there.
God,
please
quickly
go.
discard that.
I beg you.
Buckingham, Daddy, you
Oh
have
my
killed
God.
me. You have killed me.
Why did this woman come back? What did happen? Wetin happen? Wetin happen?
You see, the flight was cancelled.
The flight was cancelled.
Honestly.
But you fall. Why you not get money make you rent hotel for the airport there? Stay by the side of the airport so that you can join flight tomorrow.
What kind of
Wetin gonna happen now?
Tomorrow I'll go back.
No, now. You know what?
What?
Start to dey go. Rent hotel by the side of the airport there. So that you will quickly join flight tomorrow. Instead of worrying yourself from house.
Stop the joke. Rent hotel. When I have a house.
But when you have the house, what of before you drive from here, go reach the airport?
Are you not happy to see me? Please.
No, I just don't want trouble for you.
It's no trouble at all. It's no trouble. So,
okay.
What's going on?
You know what happen? It be like say you go help me go Tesco. There are some certain things that I want to buy.
Tired.
No, I need to buy some certain things.
When you can go.
No, be that me. I don't want to go now. I say make you go.
I just came back.
So as your husband, I know if he send you work again.
But you didn't even know I was coming back, do you? You didn't know.
But you have come back now.
I'm tired. I just want to rest. Because tomorrow I have to go early. Very early.
Help me go Tesco, go buy this thing where I won't buy. This my shaving powder and all this my.
I'm tired. I even want to use the toilet.
Wait, toilet?
Yeah, I want
that toilet don't block. I just call council finish now. They say that they come on Buckingham. You can't use it. If you see the toilet the way it, I don't even know that the toilet water is gushing out.
It doesn't matter.
No, you can't. How can I expect my wife to go and use that kind of toilet? You want to catch infection? No. No catch infection. No. You know, say na me get that thing. No catch infection. Waiting be that one.
Whose bag is this?
Which bag? Is that not your bag? You left this one before you go before.
No. Mine is green. Green. This is pink.
Me, they use bag. Now you get them now.
No.
Now your bag.
No. This is not my bag. Buckingham bag.
Now your bag.
That is not my bag. I know my bag. I have the same, but in green.
But this bag, you remember that bag where you say you buy for Dubai that time? Where
I bought them, but I didn't buy pink.
See, that one not be the issue now. Let me go to this test school first. Let me give you my card.
What did you say?
Waiting.
You want to give me your card or who?
Take now.
Me? Your card?
Go buy the thing where I won't buy.
Something is wrong.
What will happen? Quickly
You
go
giving
now.
me your card?
I beg, go quick, go buy.
You've never given me a card.
Waiting. Go help me buy the thing now. Waiting happen. Will you stop that? Waiting happen now.
Your card to me.
Help me go buy waiting I won't buy.
I've never seen your card before in my life since.
What do you mean you never see my card?
What? Something is wrong.
What is wrong?
I'm not going anywhere.
You know they go help me buy something.
Something is wrong somewhere. You giving me your card.
You can't go and buy something for me.
I'm going to the toilet.
Don't. I said the toilet is blocked.
So I can't use the toilet to wee.
Which toilet to wee? You can't go inside toilet. The toilet don't block.
I'm going to the toilet.
Waiting. Come back.
Come where?
Where do they go now?
Don't kill yourself. Come out now. I know you are in there. Come out now before it comes to trouble. Wherever you are, come out now.
Honestly, Tia, it's not what you think. Buckingham, that's why. It's not what you think. It's not
What lesson? What lesson? You can't teach her any lesson. You can't teach her any lesson. You can't teach her. What's wrong?
Don't hold me! Don't hold me! I will deal with her! I will deal with her!
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Leave my brother. Leave my. Leave my brother. Leave my brother. Leave my brother. Don't, stop. Don't. Do you want to wound me? You want to injure me? No, leave my brother.
Kill me today.
Tia, leave me. Leave me.
Can you imagine?
What do you mean?
My friend, my best friend.
What do you mean your best friend? Will you stop all this? Look here. Okay.
You will kill me today.
Okay.
Can't you get somebody else?
Okay. It has got to a stage now that I need to tell you. Will you listen to me? Listen to me. Leave me. Leave me. See, let me tell you one thing. If you don't hear me, come on, you have to know it today. Look, I did not love you. Yes. I didn't love you. Let me tell you, if you don't know, I will tell you everything today. You see, you believe you have money. And you believe your father is rich. The sin that your father have committed is what you are reaping today.
Why me?
Wait.
Why me?
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Why me?
Listen. If you touch me again, I'll slap you.
I'm not my father. I'm not my father.
Let me tell you. Your father was a lecturer in 1984.
So?
He committed a very serious sin against my family. Your father was a lecturer and my sister was in that university that time.
What has that got to do with me?
Listen to me. You have not heard what your father said they did to me. And your father slept with my sister because of the mark that my sister was expecting. He's saying that if my sister doesn't pass his paper, he will not pass out from that university. And he insisted that my sister must sleep with him. And he slept with my sister. At the long run, he later failed my sister because my sister told him that he will report him to the authority. That was the reason why my sister committed kill herself that time. She killed herself. And since the day that you have been introduced to me by Layo, when we was talking, I quickly recognized you. I recognized you that, so you are the daughter of that your father that time. So this is payback time. All the money I've been taking from you all this while, I'm just extorting you. I didn't love you.
You're wicked.
You too, you are wicked. Your father is wicked. Look here, it's Layo I love. I don't love you. I don't love you. Don't. If you hit me, God will judge you. God will judge your father. God will judge you too.
I'm not my father.
You, the children of those useless rich people that are just making life useless, unbearable for people back home in that country. That is how they've been doing. They came and hide you, their children, in this country, and you think you will not pay back. You think you will not pay. Leave me alone. If you touch me, let me tell you, I'm leaving your house today. I'm leaving your house. I'm leaving your house today. If you touch me, I'll hit you. Don't go where. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Your useless father that gave birth to you, all what he has been doing in that country.
No, you don't have to take my friend.
This is payback time.
Go out with my friend.
Your friend.
That's my friend.
Now your mama Bona.
That's my friend.
Idiot. I'm leaving your house. I'm leaving your house today. Wait.
Cinechroma Entertainment Television, Buckingham Daddy. Buckingham Daddy yo, Buckingham Daddy yo, Buckingham Daddy yo, Buckingham Daddy yo.